Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've opened your project and added the text. Now generate the text-to-speech. Select the text layer, choose text-to-speech, and pick the voice and speed that match your goal. Once done, insert the generated clip onto its own audio track so you can change it independently. Make sure you don't rely on the trackmaster yet. Separate placement lets you boost gain, trim silent tails, and preview loudness without affecting background music or system sounds. Now you're shaping loudness. Select the TTS clip and open volume controls to raise gain gradually. Small steps prevent distortion. Once you set a baseline, add audio keyframes at phrase boundaries to lift softer words without making the whole track harsh. Then apply a gentle EQ boost in the 2 to 5 kHz range to improve intelligibility, because mid-high frequencies carry speech clarity. Make sure to monitor peaks. If you see clipping, finish by balancing the mix. Lower competing music or effects by 3 to 8 dB so your TTS sits forward. Exporting the adjusted audio as WAV or MP3 and re-importing can yield a cleaner rendering if real-time adjustments sound different. Make sure project sample rate matches export 44. 148K HC to avoid artifacts. Troubleshooting. If the voice clips or sounds distorted, undo the last gain boosts, normalize the clip to a safe peak, then reapply smaller
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.